Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of In-Depth PPC with your man David Pindi, SEO executive at the Lemon. It's a fantastic Friday and we're just feeling good. I really got to get to the beach and just soak my feet in that fresh, soft water. Anyways, let's get into it. Now, the focus of today is how we can leverage HubSpot, right, to determine undesirable ICPs. Now, this is something that constantly happens, and this is a problem that I've had with my clients before, whereby we have a specific target location and we have optimized and we have taken all the optimizations, all the location optimization strategies that we could apply, and yet they are still undesired ICP. There is also another problem, and that is why people don't like to fill in forms. So what to do? How can we determine whether this undesired click is affecting our cost or not? Because at the end of the day, if that click, if you paid for that click and that click that click gets clicked, sounds like tongue twisters. That's money that's gone to waste. Even if it is $1 per click, that money essentially goes to waste. So we need to learn how to save that money. So the best thing that we can do right now is leveraging HubSpot. So when you integrate the Google Ads with HubSpot, it allows you to. Now, for example, this one here, I'm relating to what happened to us in our book. We have already solved this problem. What I do to solve this problem. So here is number one. I have this client, his name is I don't know if that's his real name or not. But then again, if you come over here, he doesn't give any essential information. Let's just go in depth with this client. And this client doesn't give any information, because if it's easier if we would just scroll down here and just look at, for example, nationality, it's not filled, country of residence, it's not filled. So we really can't extract any information and determine as to where he's from. But what we do know is from the activities, what attracted him here is our ads. Yeah, it's our ads. It's not a direct, direct traffic or email or anything like that. Yes, view corporate finance brokers, get corporate financing solutions. So that's how we attracted him. It was through Google Ads, as you can see here. Yes, on your Google Ads, corporate finance brokers. So that's how he tracked us, and this for us is a lot. I think he paid about, just about £5 that we spent actually on this, and we lost that. So how do we determine where this person is from? Now, our company is in the United Kingdom. So what we do here to solve this issue? Number one, as I showed in the previous video, you don't want to go local. Like, you don't want to exclude every single country. So how to do that? How to show that? Come into campaigns. From campaigns, you want to hop onto your settings. Here we are. Want to hop onto your settings, and from your settings, just blast everyone out, man. Don't put anyone out, as I should. But for that, check out my previous tutorials on that. For now, what we're going to do is determining where they come from. You want to know where yes comes likely, because we don't know where this person comes from. Is it in our target location? Is it not in our target location? When we determine if they are in our target location, we go through our Google Maps and exclude that country. So how I determine the country where it comes from, and this does really take time. And especially spending money, you do want to take time to fix this. For client, so I do this. I come to my uncle over here, and my uncle, that is ChatGPT, assists me. I leverage its expertise to help me. So here's my prompt. Please determine from which country this number is from, and then I'll allow it to do what it needs to do. And without having the country code or anything to that effect, it will be able to determine. For example, this one is from the United States. Because of the code, it's assigned to the southern western side, Ohio. And what I would do is I would then go to let's look at it again. How did we attract this gentleman here? What campaign was it? So let's go back there. We know that this was done in the United States. We don't want the United States because that is not our target market. Our target market is in Europe, particularly United Kingdom, particularly London. So what we do is now, let me just grab a hold of that campaign again, just to make sure. And then it says here it's on the corporate finance campaign. Corporate finance. I know exactly where to find that. Come into corporate finance and corporate finance. It's this one over here. And so go into your corporate finance and then go into the settings. Settings, where art thou? Why doth thou choosest to let's just do this. I'm not gonna waste time. Corporate finance settings, there you are. And then once we get into here, we're looking for is location. So I have about 207 locations excluded. Do I want this more? So it says here, I only want the United Kingdom as a 60. That's a 60,100,000 reach. Do I want to exclude countries? Yes. Go to advanced search. Let's see. Have I excluded the United States? Let me have a look. And it's just to confirm, right? If you haven't done it, I have done it. But if you haven't done it yet, you might as well go into it and exclude it. So let's see here. United States of America, United Kingdom, that's our target location. United USA. For example here, I'm going to exclude that already. It says USA Virgin Islands. I don't want that, so I'm going to take that out already. Then I'm just go United States. It says United States minor islands. Yeah, they don't really have like a demographic, so it's not even a thing. United, if I say state, United States country. See, so it's excluded already. As I said, I've already covered this before, so it's excluded. That's what you want to do, and give it time because it's all about time. So be mindful that in the time that you're doing this and you save, right? There are people who are clicking, the ad is running, it's live. So don't be too disappointed if you end up seeing clicks coming from undesired. Want to give it perhaps 24 hours to see these changes. For example, right now, after we've done this 28 hours ago, we've been actually having good waves, and I've been able to monitor and track all of them. You just come up here and look for something in particular. Right. You just have to look over here. So if I come here, I'm gonna get this out, and I say today. Today we got contacts. I know these guys are not from the UK, but then again we actually have serious people coming through, and we can also track exactly where they come from. These are direct traffic. So that means they directly went to search. They weren't impacted by compelling advertising. Anyways, yeah. So it's direct traffic, as you can see. There you go. So direct traffic, and that's how they got there. Then the direct traffic from. So that's how the contact was created. So these are things you want to do. Be mindful. This is something serious because you don't want to lose money for your client. You want meaningful traffic. You want meaningful leads. You want meaningful conversions. High conversions with low meaningful leads doesn't really mean anything. So, and low conversion also doesn't mean anything. So These are things that you want